Assalamu alaikum. My name is Al Mamun, student of Daffodil International University at Real Estate Department. My ID is 024 222 425 on 004. I was born in Joshua Cantonment area and now I am living in Charabag, Ashulia, Shabar. I am 23 years old. Firstly, about my previous education. I passed my SSC examination from BAF Shine College, Joshua, and I also passed my HSC examination from Cantonment College, Joshua. My hobby is playing football, cricket, and basketball, etc. And I also like traveling. I have traveled across inside the Bangladesh like Cox's Bazar, Rangamati, Kuakata. I have also visited outside of Bangladesh like India. India is my favorite traveling place. I generally visit India 6 a month. I also participated in so many extracurricular activities, just like I am a formal cadet of Bangladesh National Cadet Corps. As a real estate student, I have knowledge about digital marketing, sales, and promotion. I have extra knowledge in digital marketing like Facebook marketing, email marketing, and other marketing. Because as a real estate student, I have to attract my customer and sell my product. So I have to attract them by presenting, attracting advertisement and promotional messages. And as a real estate student, we know about civil engineering, about digital marketing, about sales, promotion, etc. So we have a lot of knowledge about real estate market. It is very important to be a job holder for us. We have a extra advantage to bring a job for ourselves as a real estate student. So that's all. Thank you.